guys, welcome back to another video. And today, as you can tell, they're slightly the avatar. So as you can tell today, I decided to get this avatar to change. I don't know what to tell you, we're changing it. Wondering, I did a watch salute thing, and we're going to try to get back off. Because I love it. I want to wait to play. Let me just share a cool preview. So let's get on the project over here. We don't want to upgrade that, we don't care. Of course, we always have business always coming on. Look at this guy waiting for us. Can I pick up? I use some codes. That's how I got to this point. I recommend using some codes. 2 codes I remember. Ali and 2 more customized decoration. Yeah, those are the ones I remember. So I recommend going ahead and doing that. So economy can start boarding now. I'm gonna go back here.
Attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
So as you can tell, the plane is taking off now. We have a beautiful TUI plane taking off all the way down there. Anyways, let's get back onto the plane. There we go, we're taking off even further, and as you can tell, we're going to be taking off for quite a while because we're still close to the runway.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. This is your flight attendant. Start their in-flight system.
Alright, we're gonna go sit down and we're gonna land. Landing. Get into land. So, our TUI plane on the way home. Piece of landing. Oh, what is that landing, man? That was a rough landing. As you can tell, we're on our way. With the board head. You don't need to see that sound. It's Wednesday. It's not 8, it's AM or PM. Yep. Thank you for playing with me. Y'all are so cheap. That's what you guys get for being in economy. People haven't left that area. And a bunch of people have opened the overhead bins. See how much easier that was? I didn't check anything, but we landed. Perfect. Anyways, I think that flight was very enjoyable, and we're gonna go ahead, block here, do the stuff I need to do first. So we need to get my suit on, we need to get my suitcase, and we're gonna create a flight. So let's do business. Economy. So so we need to go through the security camera. Scanner. Let's go. Collect my baggage and let's go. Thank you. Took a few seconds. Anyways, we're boarding now. Those people should be coming out in a bit. Intrusive 4. Hey, wow. That's a lot of gross food in there. I already know it is. Well, we're gonna close out some business. Doesn't have to see economy. They cannot see the cockpit even if they are business. Come on, hurry up. So if you guys don't know, I'm using a weird CapCut Pro thing to be able to make this video really short, and then I can make a bunch of flights as soon as possible. So business can of course start boarding. Just doing that. Safety towels. Oh, and yes, we need to do my little thing. I'm gonna make the lights nice and orange for them. Fancy lights. Hello. Quite a few business people today. Start economy building as soon as possible. Where is my F1? There you are. Yeah, on board. Of course, the flight attendant's gonna finish this in no time. So we're gonna wait for economy to finish boarding. There's her thing. So as you can tell, we need the life jacket. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. What are you watching? What are you playing? What are you doing? You're playing.
Attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
What the hell? Did they finish their business? Oh well, we're not taking off is the best thing about it. We're gonna go to Seattle and go back to Roblox. We're gonna stay at the hotel for a night. Only for an hour. Then we're gonna go back to Seattle. Well, Roblox. Then we're gonna go home at the time of our life. We just went through a cloud and that's enjoyable. We love going through clouds. So hopefully my waiters serve business properly.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. Flight attendants will start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
There's your Pepsi, there's your Coca-Cola, there's your water, there's your chips, there's your Pepsi, alright, crackers, you want crackers as well, you want a drink, you want Pepsi, you want water, you want water, you want ginger ale, you want Sprite, you want Coca-Cola, you want Pepsi, you want a pacifier, clearly, you want a Pepsi, you want a coffee, you want a ginger ale, you want a water, you want a coffee, you want a ginger ale, syrup, you want chips, you want crackers, you want a bagel, you want nut mix, you want burgers, you want chips, you want an energy bar, you want a muffin, you want a muffin, you want an energy bar.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. We hope to see you again soon.
Well, especially no trash. I'm gonna do this one first. So, boom, boom, boom. Much faster. But as you can tell, we are ready. So, the flight be a soft. Please be a soft landing. Please be a soft. Be soft. It's better to be soft, people. Okay. That was not smooth. Come on. So, we're black suitcase with me. Didn't see a taxi because there's no point. Okay, and we need to check it now to flew out the weight. Yeah, they're okay. Front. Yeah, I can always sit backwards. Let's just go back. Open it now. On time arrival. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I could have that overhead bin section. Anyways, it's time for our stay. We'll stay until 1 AM, I guess. Then we're gonna get our flight with our beautiful suitcase. Let's go over to the hotel and sleep. Shower. I showered really deep, but I don't know if we're gonna shower here. So I'm just gonna then we're gonna go back. That was like 5 minutes late, but you know, we are flight attendants, we cannot. I wonder what's up here. What, 302? I wonder if there's even a basement. There's a big house. So I'm guessing that's. Wait, well, no, I don't want a room, thank you. Don't get you a room, but you know. Okay, so it's time. So by the time we go, by the time we go to flight, I don't think we have flight. Let's no. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to Roblox via. Go back. Okay, he's in a colony, he's a bit. Or a flight attendant. No, how much is the upgrade? Get our. Now we're gonna go back. We got flight business. So now that we got flight. Okay, economy control boarding. For me. Okay, you want the stuff. Gee, I would accept it. We need to collect trash. I hate collecting trash, especially when it's their fault that they have. Get your trash out of here. Stole your tray at the table. Bring your seats up, right?
Hello, this is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard for flying
She
with us.
said,
And once
okay,
again,
whatever,
welcome.
her to shut her mouth. Okay. So your tray table. Buckle your seats. More people. Listen, you get kicked off the floor. But bro, what about the skibbity? Shut your mouth, kiddo. One cat. Okay, we'll be closing that door. It's getting cold in here.
Flight to take off.
No one cat. Well, we want to take off, but you know, those people are not hurrying. We can take off now. It was still shutting. We didn't do safety info this time, but they should have known by now. Because that old fighter should have already done it. And then we got everything here. Quite a beautiful lips. So as you can tell, we are lying. We are enjoying life. Get everything once we have taken off.
It should start shortly. Sit back, relax.
Class economy, Fuji. Gosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect turbulence up ahead. Just a couple of minutes.
I don't know why Lance said it's so fancy. But, you know, it's a good shit. Okay, that should be business. Okay, he's serving from the front. I'll drinks first. You want a Sprite? You want a ginger ale? Coca-Cola? Here's a Pepsi, a water, a ginger ale.
Your captain speaking. We have experienced an
crash,
issue with
crash,
the aircraft and we are going to make a controlled crash landing. Flight attendant, make sure everyone is in the brake.
Business first. That's the richer. Okay. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Brace. 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 Chat. Ma'am, brace. Land. I'm getting in the hole. Yo, get ready.
Your captain speaking. But it's on fire and may evacuate.
Can you hear people running? Evacuate. Evacuate. Guys. Quality review. Seat upgrade rating.